This is shop talk. You pull the part off, flip it over, and the counterbore bottoms look chewed, torn, fuzzy, witness marks under every socket head. Your code is fine. Your tool is fine. The fix is one letter, swapping G81 for G82 and adding a dwell at the bottom of the hole. G82 X0 Y0 Z-.250 R0.1 P150 F8.0. That P is the dwell. It tells the tool to keep spinning at depth without retracting. Here's what the cycle does. Rapid to R-plane, feed to depth, dwell, rapid retract. The dwell is what scrubs the bottom flat. Without that dwell, the tool reaches depth and immediately reverses. The cutting edges drag spiral marks across a bottom that hasn't finished being cut. This is the difference. Left side, G81, torn, spiral floor. Right side, G82, flat, clean. Same tool, same feed. Now the trap. That P150, what is it? On most Fanuc controls, P in a can cycle is milliseconds by default. P150 is 150 milliseconds, but confirm your dwell parameter. The real unit trap is G04 dwell. There, P is milliseconds, but X or U is seconds. Don't mix them up. Most operators throw a P value in without checking which unit their control wants. That's how you end up dwelling for 50 milliseconds and wondering why nothing changed. Rule of thumb: aim for 2 to 4 full revolutions at the bottom. At 1200 RPM, one rev is 50 milliseconds. So figure 100 to 200. Where the dwell pays off: gummy materials, aluminum, brass, low-carbon steel. Anything that smears instead of breaking cleanly. And it pays off when the bottom finish actually matters. Sealing surfaces, gasket faces, anything a socket head shoulders against. Skip the dwell when you're drilling through holes. There's no bottom to clean up. The chip falls out the back. Skip it in cast iron and most tool steels. They break chips cleanly. A dwell just rubs the tool against work-hardened material and dulls the edges. And skip it on roughing passes. The next cycle is going to recut that floor anyway. You're just adding seconds across 1,000 holes. Quick decision tree. Through hole, no dwell. Blind hole, hard material, roughing, no dwell. Blind hole, gummy material, finish matters, dwell. Real-world numbers: aluminum at 1500 RPM, a p-value worth roughly 80 milliseconds. Adjust if your control reads seconds. And remember, G82 lives inside a can cycle. G80 cancels it. Forget the G80, and your next rapid move turns into a drilled hole somewhere it shouldn't be. If you've made it this far, G82 isn't magic. It's a half second of patience at the bottom of the hole. Use it where the floor matters, skip it where it doesn't. Subscribe for more shop floor breakdowns.